Disabling two-factor authentication on Paytm can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to easily turn off this security feature. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the top left or right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find security settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the security or privacy section. Tap on it to view your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Tap on it and you will see an option to disable it. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Paytm account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.